Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be opening another ThredUP 10-piece mystery fun box. I have been getting some pretty good boxes, so I'm thinking I might be due for a bad one. I hope this isn't it, but we're getting ready to find out. This is actually a pretty good size for a ThredUP fun box, and it's really quite heavy. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this time I'm not going to do a sneak peek in here for me. Like, I don't want to see what's in it. I want to be completely surprised. So I'm going to close my eyes and give you guys a sneak peek. Okay, I'm reaching in. What on earth? Feels like a purse. No, oh my goodness, no. It's not a purse at all. It is a corset. This is actually seems like it's made very well too. Very nicely constructed. It does not have any labels or anything on it that I can see. Oh yes, it does. I'm sorry, I lied. Not fee. This is a UK size 18. I'm not sure what the US size would be for that, but I'm kind of impressed by this because it appears to be really nice quality. I think it's a shoe. No, it's a belt for sure. A Western theme belt. Is this leather? It doesn't quite feel like leather. It's got two buckles. So I'm assuming it is made to go that way. It's not marked or anything, but it's still pretty nice quality. It feels like there's a lot of stuff in here. This is super cute. And it'll be the holidays soon, so it is a J. Crew sticker patch with a little bottle of champagne, $9.50 retail. Really cute. What do you do with these? Give your pouch a customizable look. That could be interesting. What do we got here? Sunglasses. These are some tortoise horn-rimmed, no maker's marks, but let's see if these hurt my head. Oh, they don't. They don't hurt my head. And these are actually quite fabulous. I'm thinking keepers for these. I like having sunglasses laying around everywhere because my eyes are way sensitive to the sun, and I'm constantly buying and losing sunglasses, so those I will be keeping. All right. So I'm feeling socks. They're boot cuffs. These feel nice. They're alpaca. That's why they feel nice. Washed by hand with shampoo, handmade by artisans from the highlands of Peru. My comfy alpaca wear boot cuffs. These are really nice. So far, so good. Like, so far, so good. It feels big, large for a fun box. Well, this is neat. My God. Oh my God. Is this not the cutest little thing ever? You guys should feel this. It feels like rabbit fur or something. This is super adorable. Don't know, but that's so cute. You're so cute. Love it. Okay, one more. Going in again. Hairbands. Look at this one. It's got the little bumblebee. There is a price tag, 100% cotton. J. Crew. I love J. Crew. And this is a nice tartan plaid. So there's a really good chance I'll probably end up listing that. Cute. Okay. Okay, going back in. See if I can get a hold of any. Oh, here we go. Hats. We have hats. There are 3 hats in here. One of them's super cute. Okay, so they totally knew this was coming to me. That's right, folks. And then we have a rhinestone studded pom-pom beanie. It's not branded. It's nice quality. Perhaps perhaps something I would wear. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Is that Murmuroo? Don't know. I kind of like this, actually. I feel like Gilligan. Getting ready to take a trip to go to Vegas. I can see me tooling around the Vegas Strip wearing this little dude, right? Huh? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I think I'm down to this last item, and I'm going to have to look to get this out because it's, oh no, there's one more item in there. Steve Madden, boxed. Maybe I can get it out. Maybe I can get it out. Oh, that's pretty. If I can get it shook down. It's costume jewelry. You can't see it very well right now, but they are like little gold tone rhinestones. Little, is that a butterfly? No, it's a bow. Little bow, gold bow earrings. In a cute little box set. It's a good little stocking stuffer. And we are coming up on the season. It'll be here before you know it, you guys. Okay, I think that's it. And then we have the last item that is a backpack of sorts. It has a hard shell top. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this thing. There's all kinds of compartments in here. So I'm going to assume, you see that? You see that? Let me see if there's any kind of paperwork in here. Like maybe this is for electronics equipment or something like that. Like maybe, nope, nothing in there. Photography lenses would fit nicely in there. Gosh, I do not know. However, through the magic of the internet, I will be able to look that up and figure it out. So it's in good shape. I'll do a little checking and see exactly what it is. Don't know. Do not know. So, all in all, I think I got another good box, you guys. I do believe so. We've got the backpack. We got the lots of 3 hats, and I'm going to be keeping this one, right, because it's only right. And I will also be keeping this one, because I do believe I'll wear that, especially on vacation. And gosh, I like this one a lot, so I'll probably keep that one too. And then we have the hair bands. I will be listing the J. Crew band. The sunglasses, which I will be keeping. Those will also be going to Las Vegas with me. I will more than likely list the alpaca boot cuffs. I'll have to look them up and kind of see if they're even worth my time to list. Cannot wait to find out what this little thing is. It's just the cutest little thing. He's so adorable. I love him. So, you know, he's probably going to go on my purse. One of my purses. I'm going to have a little furry dude hanging off of it. We have the J. Crew sticker patch. I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet. I may throw it in with the headband. We have the belt. Also not sure. The Steve Madden custom jewelry and this really interesting corset. And that's it for that box. So, I have to give it another thumbs up. I feel like ThredUP is really stepping up their game with these fun boxes. I used to order them all the time. I stopped ordering them for a really long time because I just kept, I was not getting really good boxes. So I thought, it's kind of a waste of money. But these days, they're really stepping up their game with these boxes. I really like them. Like, I'm getting a lot of things that I wouldn't, like, these are not things that I would go out and buy myself, I wouldn't go out and seek out a little furry dude to hang on my purse, but I got him in a fun box, so, and he's fun. He is fun. So, that's the thing about these fun boxes. They're fun. Lots of fun. So, yeah, I think I'm very happy with this one. Anyway, just a quick run through for a little, really lots of fun box, and very happy with it again. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.